trying to put this fan on, this electric fan down here. Want to hear it? Watch. It's pretty noisy. Anyway, I drove about 100 miles last weekend, and it wasn't overheating, but it was running hot. So I want to get another temperature sending unit, stick it in there, because when I try to share it, it just stays on the whole time. Anyway, that's what I'm working on this. But the Nova has just now got all the chrome off that I want to get off, because I'm going to replace the hood, so I don't need to worry about that. I've got the sunroof out, got all the chrome off. These little things are really hard to get off. These I couldn't get off and started to break them. So I'll just have to paint underneath them or cut them off, or I'm not sure what when I get to that point. First I'm going to cut these off. They used to be for the trim that was on the hatchback. I've decided I'm not going to put it back on. Sand those down, fill those holes in. Same with the hatchback holes once I get to that point. Hatchback is on straight, good gaps. What else? Got that cowl off, which was a pain. I actually cracked my windshield. It's not horrible, but I think I'll probably be replacing it, which really sucks, but oh well, gotta be done. Same thing over here. You can see the original color. It's kind of what I want it to be again, dark red. Got all these trims off. Got the new taillight panel in. Now I'm going to drive it outside and then start sanding. So here we go. Well, hi there. Welcome back to Geek and Son. As you know, I've been sanding the Nova down, trying to get that back down to bare metal. I started out with 80 grit, decided that wasn't enough. Now I'm going down to 40 grit. And this airplane behind me is the General. I put this fan in there, and I'll tell you what, it keeps it cool, but it is loud. Now when you're driving you can't hear it, but it's loud. And I had to get a sending unit to put in that little hole right there, because that was already taken by the temperature gauge. Was when I plugged it into the temperature gauge, it just stayed on. So it's not supposed to kick on unless it's got the right temperature. So hopefully when I plug it into this other sending unit, it'll be fine. But I'll tell you what, it works. It's running like a regular car, like a cool car. And before it was almost always pegged hot. So coming up, we're gonna have more of the Nova. I won't bore you with the sanding, but as soon as I start to do maybe some mud on it and some other stuff, show you that. It's a great car. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.